Abisala guys! I'm
Abisala.
with Roconacino, aka Akil.
Akil, yes.
So, Akil, what is the most challenging scene you've encountered so far with Cantadia?
Probably all my scenes with Danaya. Kasi medyo she's may attitude siya.
Oh my
And
God!
mahirap siya katrabaho.
Really?
So I really dislike working with her. Oh, she's there. I'm kidding. No, she's just there. That's why.
Challenging scene.
Challenging scene.
It can be a
would
fight
be,
scene or...
No, it would be whenever Danaya and Akil have to go their separate ways.
Aww.
Actually, it's always a very emotional scene, and it's hard for both characters because we really have to get into it and talk to each other before the scene. And for the fans, then it becomes really challenging for them. And minsan they can't take it when Akil and Danaya have to break up again.
I know.
Nalulungkot sila masyado.
Broken-hearted sila.
Oo nga eh.
So what do you think is the best qualities of Akil na meron ka rin?
Best qualities of Akil? Pagiging tapat.
Romantic? I can
Don
say.
Romantico. I hope I am. In my own little ways. How he becomes loyal to Lireo. That's one thing that I am very proud of.
Yes.
And siguro how he loves unconditionally. He loves unconditionally.
I know. So how much of you is Akil?
I would say probably around 60% because I don't like how torpe Akil is. Like sometimes nahihirapan siya sabihin yung gusto niyang iparating kay Danaya, and that's one thing na hindi Rocco.
So speaking of Danaya, ano yung pinaka nakakakilig niyong moment?
It would be the first kiss. The first
talaga?
kiss. Yung pinakaunang kiss na akala namin mahihirapan kami gawin. Pero it was very smooth. At pagkatapos tawa lang kami ng tawa. Ayun, hindi ko yung makakalimutan because it was Sanya's first kiss also on screen. So,
What can you
lucky
say
me.
about you get to influence a lot of people because of your character Akil?
Especially the young ones.
Yes, I know.
It's different. It's eye-opening actually how this show can affect the viewers, especially the young ones, and it shows us that we really have to be sensitive about what we show
I know.
and how we do our fights.
Because they admire you, so parang
Yeah.
model ka nila, diba?
Hindi siya pwede of course, say bad words or do something that people will not like. Kasi nga, a lot of kids look up to the characters.
I
Not
know.
just me, lalo na sa mga Sanders. So, it affects a lot of what we show sa TV.
Message for Dankil. Kasi
Yeah.
grabe ang dami niyong fans.
Yeah, actually because of them, we're going to Canada in a few days. In 2
Wow.
days, we're flying out to Vancouver to have a show for them. And we're really excited. We have a whole production numbers. We have a lot of production numbers set up for the show. So that's to say thank you to them for supporting us. To the Dankil fans, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa inyo dahil hindi kayo nagsasawa, suportahan kami at lagi kayo natutuwa tuwing may eksena kami para sa inyo at para sa Encantadia. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagkilig para sa inyo at lahat dahil sa inyo, mas nag-enjoy kami sa trabaho namin. So, thank you guys. Abisala Yashma.
Simple message to all Encantadics.
Oh,
All over the world.
all over the world.
Yes.
Kahit ilang linggo na lang tayo, it's not gonna be goodbye. It's see you later. Hint? Hindi natin alam, hindi ko rin alam. But thank you so much dahil it's been magical. This whole roller coaster ride. It's been so much fun. I love the fight scenes. I'm
Yes.
sure you've
we've
enjoyed so much.
enjoyed it so much.
Yeah, we get to choreograph it. We get to play around with our scenes. I'm sure you applied a lot of your wushu techniques.
Yeah, I do. I'm
in
so
your-
thankful that Direct talaga, sabi niya, okay, Janice, it's your scene, so you can do your own choreography.
Yeah.
So nakakatuwa ka because merong blessings na. So nakakatuwa because he entrusted me the character.
Yeah.
So, I love
I could relate. Parang ako din parang Rocco, you don't disappoint me naman when it comes to that. So if you think you can add something to the scene, go ahead and do it. Sabi ko, yeah, why not,
nakakatawa.
diba?
It's fun, diba? Parang we're just playing. Diba?
And that's what makes this even more special and
Yes.
close to our hearts,
Oo.
and now even harder to separate from.
Yes.
It's because this show has become so close to us. It's not like we're working, going home. It's like working and playing and enjoying.
Yes.
And parang bonus na bonus yan. To be part of the show is a huge bonus already.
Yes.
And to gain tawag dito, I can say fame, our characters ay dahil lalo tayo nakikilala because of our characters.
Aside from that, the characters are well loved. Yun eh, well loved.
Even the antagonists,
Yes, I know. Nakakatuwa.
Oh, a lot of people hate Ether, but they also love Ether.
Thank you for
Ibang
that.
klase. Yeah, totoo. Talagang when I see tweets,
Yes.
talagang grabe. Ay, ako si Ether na naman. Yan na naman siya. But good publicity, bad publicity, it's always okay
So,
pa
pero
rin.
napansin ko right now, people are very smart because they
Yes.
can separate the character
Tama.
from you as a person.
Mhm.
So, they hate my character.
But when they see you,
Yes, but when they see me, they say, I like you portraying Ether. So, nakakatuwa.
nakakatuwa.
Kasi na-appreciate nila yung hard work natin.
Yeah, even si Hagorn, even if he's like the main antagonist in this show, pag nakikita siya ng mga tao,
Si
yung
Hagorn, si
mga
Hagorn.
bata,
Yes.
yung mga bata sabi, kaya naman nagawa ni Hagorn yan kasi ginawa nito ni
Yes.
Asbalto sa kanya. So they understand that he's not just a bad person. They understand.
May purpose.
Yeah, may purpose. May
Just like si Ether. Ether for me is not bad. The reason why Ether is there is actually purpose niya is parang subukin lahat ng mga diwata.
Tama.
Diba? So, nagalit sa kapangyarihan, sa greed kasi sila, diba? So, nakakatuwa because they get to understand kung ano yung nangyayari sa show talaga.
Yeah.
That's why hindi ka natatakot na, uy, baka may magalit sa'yo or something
Tama.
because naintindihan nila yung nangyayari.
Oo, and paano hindi matututo ang mga diwata, mga sangre, kung walang
Pagsubok,
Ether, di ba?
oo.
Pagsubok na galing kay Ether. So, in turn talaga, blessing pa si Ether sa kanila. So, which brings us back to Encantadia, of being part of the show, and it has changed a lot.
Yes.
It's changed a lot. Yes, humbled me. It has made me appreciate my craft more in acting and in doing fantaseries. Hindi pala biro paggawa ng fantaserie. I know you can agree with me on that.
I know. Especially costume. Tapos,
Yes.
given the fact na yung weather, diba?
Pero dahil sa inyo, sa mga Encantadicts na nanonood, you make it all worth it. And we have so much fun doing this for you guys. At lahat ng ginagawa namin, pagpapagod, paggawa ng fight scenes,
Sulit,
pag-iyak.
diba? Worth it.
Sulit dahil na-appreciate nyo. So thank you for taking time off to comment on our social media accounts and saying thank you and appreciating our characters dahil para sa amin award na yun.
Yes.
So thank you.
Thank you, Abisala Eshma.
Bisala Eshma.
Abisala!
Abisala!
Hi guys! I'm with Tanya Lopez, aka Danaya.
Abisala sa inyong lahat. Ayan.
So, ano yung pinaka nagustuhan mong katangian ni Harry Danaya?
Ako
Ano naman yung pinaka nakakakilig yung moment ni Akil?
pinaka nakakakilig kong moment with Akil. Unang-una, yung... yun.
Sige, since patapos na ang Enka, ano naman yung pinaka mamimiss mo